أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم في أكاديمية المحبة مجددا. You are welcome to Al-Mahabba Academy. In today's episode, we shall be looking at another aspect of tense. Now, we are not looking at the past or the present or the future, but today we are going to look at aspects of the tense and mood. So today we are going to look at the inceptive or the initiative aspect of a tense, which is af'alu shuru' in Arabic language. Af'alu shuru', af'alu shuru'. What is the inceptive or initiative aspect? It means that it describes the beginning of an action. It implies that an action is starting or is beginning. So we have the af'al shuru'. So the formation of af'al shuru' in Arabic language is having the auxiliary verb shara'a, shara'a, or the sisters of af'al shuru', that of ja'ala, akhadha, tafiqa, and bada'a. So shara'a yaf'alu. So when you have the shara'a and any of its sisters added to the fi'l mudari yaf'alu, shara'a yaf'alu, it will give or it will imply that it's an action is starting or is initiating. Let's see examples. We have the likes of I began to study. In English, you say I began to study. I began to study. Another example is I will begin to study next week. I will begin to study next week. You see that this is the past initiative, while this is future initiative. Past initiative, I began to study, and the future initiative, I will begin to study next week. In Arabic language, the past initiative will be translated to al-madi ash-shuru'i, al-madi ash-shuru'i, while the future will be translated to al-mustaqbalu ash-shuru'i, al-mustaqbalu ash-shuru'i. So I began to study will translate in Arabic to shara'tu adrusu, shara'tu adrusu, I began to study. Shara'tu adrusu, I began to study. Why I will begin to study next week in Arabic will translate to سأشرع في الدراسة الأسبوع القادم. سأشرع في الدراسة الأسبوع القادم. Take note that this shara'a can be substituted for any of our sisters like ja'ala or akhadha or ansha'a or bada'a or tafiqa. So this is af'al shuru', which is the inceptive or the initiative aspect of a particular tense, which implies the beginning of an action. So this is where we stop today. So till we meet in the next class.